Today I'll be testing out the Angry Mama microwave cleaner. Look inside my microwave, you can see there's all kinds of food splatter from overheating and over months. So the Angry Mama has a little marker there for how much vinegar you're gonna add. So I'll go ahead and fill that up to the line. You can also add lemon or lime juice too if you want to increase the aroma, but I didn't do that. And then just set it in the middle of the microwave and time it for 7 minutes, and we'll get that going. Been running for almost 2 minutes now, and I can start to smell the aroma of vinegar. Alright, 7 minutes are up. Now they want you to wait 2 more minutes for it to cool down, and then we'll take a look inside. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. Doesn't feel too hot. Now we're gonna go in and wipe everything down. All that steaming action inside, it makes it really easy for all that food to be removed with either damp cloth or sponge. So I think it did what it's supposed to do. It did a really good job of removing a lot of that material and just made it so much easier to wipe off after the fact. As opposed to if you did it on your own, you'd be really scrubbing and struggling to get it all out. When you open it up, so all the contents, all that vinegar has evaporated on most part. There's a little bit of food particles or something in there that cooked it and got in there. So just rinse that off, and then it'll be ready again for the next time you want to clean your microwave.